Hey guys, I've made some changes around here. These are my cinnamon queens, as you can see all around my feet. And there is my Godzilla. And you come out here, and these are these two boys. I went ahead and got these guys because there's a chicken shortage, if you haven't heard about that. And I thought people are looking for barnyard mixes, and I thought I would try to do a mix that was a heavy hen that lays well, and then big boys. So you've got both of them. Godzilla, be nice. Godzilla. So, and I brought her in here because she's too big for my little silkies to mount. That's not gonna work. So, I set some of these eggs last week, and I'll let you guys know. Of course, it'll be 2 weeks, but I'll let you know what I get. Look at him. Isn't he pretty? Look at how big he is. These girls are up. You can see they're up on this thing, and he's almost as tall as them. All right. I know, I gotta feed them today, so. I fed them before, but I just gotta give them more food. Hey, mamas! Hey, mamas! These cinnamon queens are the most gentle birds. I mean, if you look, they're right at my feet. And these are not hand-reared birds. So, alright, that's one of my new barns that I did.